Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. My name is Shashank. If you're a student of PSIR Optional and targeting success in 2022, then this is the time where you strategize your preparation well. You're done with your foundation, did some self-study. Now you need to get ready for content updation. Polish your answer writing skills. Structure your revision with a proper plan. So when I say proper plan, it means contemporary developments, discussions need to be added in your content. Previous year question themes means every topic has some broad themes around which questions are often repeated. So you should be ready along these themes. Some standard templates of introduction, conclusion, some scholars need to be ready in your notes. This can be done through this comprehensive PSIR optional test series which we are starting. There, you are going to also provide it with handwritten model answers. So you have the content, you have the presentation, and you know how to structure your answer within this specific word limit. You're also provided with personalized mentorship. Questions are designed after detailed thematic mapping so that you know what kind of themes are more important from a particular topic so that you can channelize your energies well when it comes to preparing this PSIR optional. Thank you. If you have any query, feel free to ask.